Hello geometry students, welcome back to the last and final video of your Unit 2 study guide. We're going to be dealing with this proof. This says, or with this problem, sorry, it says write a proof using rigid motions that will take figure ABC onto figure XYZ. It says use your template. So for this one, you have to be very formal. So let's write out a formal proof. So first of all, with any proof, I'll just write the word proof and put a colon. That lets me know that I'm writing the proof. I'll say translate ABC from point B to point Y. Okay. Now, why did I say translate? Well, if you look at A, B, C, and X, Y, Z, they're not together. The first thing I always want to do if I have two separate figures is put them together by aligning up at least one point. In this case, I want to line up B with Y since I know they are congruent. So I line up B with Y. The next step is I want to make sure that at least one of my segments is lined up. If I want to line up one of my segments, I'll just rotate my figure. So I'll say rotate rotate ABC using point Y as a center. Let me fix my text box so that it doesn't get in the way. Rotate ABC using point Y as the center, comma, so that, what are we going to get to coincide? I'll just say XY coincides with AB and BC coincides with YZ. So I know by that rotation, AB will coincide with XY, and I know that BC will coincide with YZ. Once I know that they coincide, I can say, we know ABC is congruent to XYZ because rigid motions preserve. They preserve what? What stays the same? The measure stays the same. They preserve measure. So now I get to write my concluding statement that says, therefore, oh, sorry, let me change it up. Let's make it sound more complete. So I'll say since all points line up, triangle, let's just put ABC. Oh no, it's not even a triangle. So I'll say figure ABC is congruent to XYZ. Okay, perfect. That is it for our proof. So read it together just so that it can make sense. It says translate ABC from point B to point Y. So we moved B over onto Y. Then it says rotate ABC using Y as the center so that XY coincides with BA or AB, it doesn't matter. And BC coincides with YZ. We know ABC is congruent to XYZ because rigid motions preserve on measure. So that means none of the lengths and none of the angles change. Since all points line up, ABC is congruent to XYZ. And that is it for this problem. Hopefully you enjoyed these videos. This is the end of our Unit 2 study guide. Hopefully you do well on the test. Best of luck to all my students. Best of luck to any student that is watching this as well. Good luck on your test and happy Halloween. Anyways, enjoy your day.